Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to use our ChiChi palette and these are the shades in it. So first of all I'm going to apply base to my eyelid. So yeah, base is ready. Now moving on to eye shade. I'm gently taking this light pinkish tone color and just applying it all over my lid. Now I'm taking a small blending brush and just taking a bit darker shade. Let's see this one. And just patting it onto my crease. Applying it to my outer corner as well. Now I'm taking a bit more darker color, this color, and just applying it onto my crease. Taking this brown shade, applying it same to my lower lash as well. Now I'm just taking my concealer and just going to cut the crease. I'm using this color and just making it in a V shape. So once we are done, shimmery pink color to the middle portion. Yeah. So you can see that? Yeah. So when we are done, I'm just dipping my brush back into this dark color. This mixture of every color, and just gently applying this shade to my brow bone, just to enhance it. I'm using this Blue Heavens eyeliner, dragging a line upwards and gently just so. That is our wing. Now we have to join it. So now I'm going to apply mascara, and today I'm using this Colossal Big Shot mascara. This is my current favorite one. The same shade to my tear duct. Kajal, Blue Heavens Kajal. Now I'm going to set this kajal with this dark shade, dark brown shade, so that it stays here only. It does not smudge. Yeah. So this is done. Now I am going to use false lashes. So lashes applied, and applying same mascara to my lower lashes. So guys, this is the final look. I hope you like this video, and if you do like this video, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Mwah!
And stay tuned, because in the next video I am going to do my mom's makeup.
Yay! Mwah!
Stay tuned.